Hello guys, this is my first time trying to make a vlog, so please don't judge me and tell me if I need to change something or not, because I think I filmed the vlog, but it seems to me that parts of the vlog are a bit separated from each other, so they don't have sense when you put them together. So I hope that you will understand that this is my first time. So this is about my little trip. I was there for 2 weeks. So this is the region of Russia that is close to Estonia, as I said, and I think there are more nature than speaking, because that's how I see that region. You don't have to talk a lot, it's just nature, enjoy nature, like hearing the sounds of the nature. So I tried to show you all the atmosphere I felt there, so I hope you will enjoy it the same as me. Guess where I am? I'm in the really small Russian village at the border with Estonia and Latvia. So like the fortress, really old and ancient fortress. I'm not sure about the history, but I think this is from maybe 1800 or something. So this is on reconstruction now, so that's why I cannot go inside there. I bought a coffee, really cheap coffee, and I'm going like through all of these little houses. I feel like I am the main character right now. So just look at these pretty little houses. I think it's really interesting to live here. I don't know what this is. Even in Russian, I cannot understand. I cannot pretty understand for guys looking at me. You know, I'm so in love with European style architectural ideas, like Scandinavian style, or how does it call it? I don't know. So, and this is so embarrassing to film among the village people, because they're just all judging me. You know, guys, this city, okay, called Pskov in Russian. So my grandparents live here, and look at this museum, handsome museum.
Там так интересно, скажи. Ну идемте вот так и потом. Пойдем туда. Не помнишь, что ли? Идемте обратно. Там же сверху будет красивее.
Больше ничего нет. Арсенал здесь был раньше. Оружие хранилось.
Оружие.
Да, оружейная комната.
Ой, хорошо проходит. Там вода.
Ну пошлите, там я тоже ничего.
А что вот эти вот? Без дорога побоище. Машина стоит, видимо, там внутри кто-то есть.
Ну это же тоже могут люди, не знаю.
Ну, как
Стас,
там?
Я такой не ем, дядя. Положи себе в тарелку еще сама.
поняли, он еще... вам надо... Нет, говорит, что-то не пойдет. Спецзаказ ему еще нужен. Ну ты, дружок,
Тебе может перцем посыпать.
I hope you forgive me for my English because I'm not a native speaker. I'm learning English. I'm learning it at the university and I want to be a professional translator. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, text me comments and say what should I change, what things are already good. I will be really glad for your feedback. Thank you.
You start smoking.